Looking at Divi Dutch Village Beach Resort in Aruba, you might wonder if this colorful Caribbean getaway lives up to its cheerful Dutch colonial appearance. After diving deep into guest reviews, facility details, and everything this Eagle Beach property offers, here's what you need to know about this family-friendly resort that's been welcoming visitors since the early 1990s. The accommodations at Divi Dutch Village immediately set it apart from typical hotel rooms. Instead of cramped spaces, you'll find spacious suites that feel more like vacation apartments than standard hotel rooms. The one-bedroom suites span an impressive 750 to 860 square feet, featuring a separate bedroom with either a king bed or two queens, plus a full living room with a sofa bed that can accommodate an extra guest. What makes these rooms particularly appealing is the complete kitchen setup, not just a mini fridge and microwave like many hotels offer. You get a full-sized refrigerator, stove, microwave, and all the cookware needed to prepare meals, which can save families hundreds of dollars during their stay. The two-bedroom suites expand to over 1,400 square feet with two full bathrooms, perfect for larger families or groups traveling together. For those needing even more space, limited three-bedroom villas offer around 1,615 square feet with washer and dryer facilities. Each accommodation includes modern amenities like flat-screen smart TVs, free Wi-Fi, air conditioning, and either a balcony or patio where you can enjoy your morning coffee while planning your day. The decor embraces bright tropical colors with tile floors and wooden furniture that creates a relaxed Caribbean atmosphere without feeling overdone or tacky. When hunger strikes, the dining options keep things simple but satisfying. The beach bar and grill serves as the main restaurant, positioned right on the sand where you can feel the ocean breeze while enjoying your meal. The menu focuses on Caribbean and American favorites, with fresh fish being a standout choice given the resort's beachfront location. You'll find everything from casual burgers and salads for lunch to more substantial seafood dishes for dinner. The tropical cocktails here are particularly popular, with bartenders who know how to mix a proper rum punch or pina colada. Operating from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m., the restaurant maintains a casual dress code where beachwear is perfectly acceptable, making it easy to grab a bite between beach sessions. For lighter fare and quick snacks, the Dutch Village Market offers grab-and-go options including sandwiches, pastries, and coffee. While the dining options aren't extensive compared to larger resorts, the quality remains consistent, and having full kitchens in every room means you can easily supplement with groceries from nearby stores or cook your own meals when you prefer staying in. The pool and beach facilities represent some of the resort's strongest features. Two outdoor pools provide options for different preferences, with a main pool offering plenty of space for swimming laps or just floating around, while a smaller kids' pool gives families peace of mind when little ones want to splash around safely. The main pool measures about 65 feet in length with depths ranging from 4 to 6 feet, surrounded by comfortable loungers and umbrellas that provide necessary shade during Aruba's intense midday sun. Pool service means you can order drinks and snacks without leaving your lounger, adding to the relaxed vacation vibe. However, the real star here is Eagle Beach itself, consistently ranked among the world's most beautiful beaches. The resort provides complimentary beach loungers and umbrellas, a significant perk since many Caribbean destinations charge for beach equipment. The white sand feels like powder between your toes, and the turquoise water stays calm and clear most days, perfect for swimming or snorkeling right from shore. Water sports enthusiasts can arrange activities like paddle boarding, kayaking, and windsurfing through local vendors who set up shop right on the beach. The beach stretches for about a kilometer, giving you plenty of space to find your perfect spot, whether you prefer being close to the action or seeking a quieter area for reading and relaxation. Recreational activities at Divi Dutch Village focus on the essentials rather than overwhelming guests with too many options. The fitness center covers the basics with cardio machines including treadmills and stationary bikes, plus free weights for those wanting to maintain their workout routine during vacation. It's not a state-of-the-art facility, but it gets the job done for guests who can't skip their daily exercise. The resort occasionally arranges beach yoga sessions, taking advantage of the stunning sunrise views over the ocean. Water activities dominate the entertainment options, which makes perfect sense given the prime beachfront location. Snorkeling equipment can be rented nearby, and the calm waters make it easy for beginners to explore the underwater world just steps from their room. For those interested in exploring beyond the resort, the staff can help arrange island tours, deep-sea fishing excursions, or visits to Aruba's famous natural attractions. Evening entertainment keeps things low-key with live music several nights per week at the beach bar, creating a pleasant atmosphere for dinner and drinks without being too loud or intrusive for guests preferring quieter evenings. While Divi Dutch Village doesn't operate a full-service spa on site, wellness services are available through partnerships with nearby facilities and sister properties within the Divi Resort Group. Massage therapy, facials, and body treatments can be arranged through the front desk or concierge, with therapists often able to provide services in the comfort of your suite or on the beach for an extra romantic touch. The focus here leans more toward natural wellness through the beach environment itself. The sound of waves, warm ocean breezes, and abundant sunshine provide their own therapeutic benefits that many guests find more rejuvenating than traditional spa treatments. The resort's location away from busy tourist areas contributes to a naturally peaceful atmosphere where stress seems to melt away without formal intervention. For those seeking more structured wellness activities, the staff can arrange for private yoga instructors or provide information about meditation spots along the beach where you can practice mindfulness while watching the sunset paint the sky in brilliant colors. Families will find Divi Dutch Village well-suited for children, though it doesn't offer a formal kids club with structured programming. Instead, the resort takes a more relaxed approach to family entertainment, letting the beach and pool serve as natural playgrounds where children can build sandcastles, splash in the shallow water, and collect shells along the shoreline. The smaller pool provides a safe environment for younger swimmers, while the expansive beach gives older kids room to run around and play games. The suite accommodations work particularly well for families, offering space for everyone to spread out and the convenience of preparing snacks and meals in the room. This flexibility proves especially valuable for families with picky eaters or those traveling with infants who need specific meal schedules. The casual atmosphere throughout the resort means children feel welcome everywhere, from the restaurants to the pool areas. Parents appreciate not having to worry about strict dress codes or formal dining requirements that can make family vacations stressful. The calm beach conditions make it safe for children to play in the water under parental supervision, and the white sand stays relatively cool even during hot afternoons. Exploring beyond a resort reveals why Aruba attracts visitors from around the world. Eagle Beach itself stretches far beyond the resort boundaries, offering miles of pristine coastline to explore. Just 5 kilometers away, Palm Beach provides a livelier atmosphere with more restaurants, shops, and water sports operators for those seeking additional entertainment options. The capital city of Oranjestad sits only 10 kilometers from the resort, easily accessible by taxi or rental car for duty-free shopping, historical sites, and cultural attractions. California Lighthouse, located 12 kilometers north, offers spectacular views and photo opportunities, especially during sunset hours. For nature lovers, Arikoke National Park lies 15 kilometers away, showcasing Aruba's rugged landscape, unique rock formations, and indigenous plant life that survives in the desert climate. The park includes hiking trails, natural pools, and caves that provide a completely different perspective on the island beyond the beaches. Snorkeling enthusiasts should visit Boca Catalina, just 7 kilometers from the resort, where colorful fish and coral formations create an underwater paradise perfect for both beginners and experienced snorkelers. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.